Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you these paper gift bags I've been using. These paper gift bags by Metronic are super practical. There's many things I love about them. I really like that they are brown, so it's super easy to make a gift for him or for her. I also love that they come in packs of 50 or 100, so there's no need for me to go run to the store to buy one. These are great because they are easy to carry. They have a secure handle and they are not easily damaged. You're going to see that they also have a flat bottom, so they're super easy for you to stand up whenever you're organizing your gifts. So if you're looking for a paper gift bag that is affordable, they're practical, and they're high quality, definitely check these out. Having these paper gift bags at home save me so much time and money. You are going to appreciate it if you get them too, and that is my point of view.